Hi, this is Alex for Harmonica.com, and today's topic is country harmonica for beginners. We're gonna break down some famous tunes by Charlie McCoy that have no bends and are easy to learn. Stay tuned. Here's a general rule. Remember to practice with metronome at least on early stages. It's better to slow down the speed and be in the pocket than play fast and be out of rhythm. Always start in the speed that's comfortable for you, and when you nailed it, speed it up. The first one is Hey Baby. We use the C harmonica and the key is G. The first phrase is 1, 2, 3, 4. Play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is similar, starts on 5 blow. And the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. In this moment, you just breathe out on 2 and 3 holes. And you can slide in 3 blow. Where the phrase is. Play the whole theme with a metronome, set the tempo that's comfortable for you, and when you feel confident, go ahead and play with the tune. Shenandoah. This song contains really long notes because it's very slow, and you need a very good breath to hold them, so you may actually speed it up if necessary. The original song is in D flat, but I will play it on C harmonica in the key of C. The first phrase is 1, 2, 3. Play along. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2. Play along. 1, 2. Next one. 1, 2. One, two. Next one. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. And the next one. 4, 1. Play along. 4, 1. When you remember the melody, add constant tremolo effect with your hands. Then play the whole tune with the original track. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. This is Alex for Harmonica.com. Take care.